Hi guys, welcome to ITeePK. Today I will show you the simple steps how we can enable or disable the bookmark bar from Google Chrome browser. Bookmarks in Google Chrome are the saved links to your websites. They allow you to easily access these sites without having to remember their URLs or search them again. If you have bookmarks pinned to your Chrome browser, you can instantly reach your favorite website with just one click. And this avoids wasting your time and searching or typing long URL repeatedly, and this will save your browsing sessions as well. Access bookmarks across devices when logged into your Google account make it easy to find it favorites everywhere. So if you have seen that, I just click on the bookmark and I got to that page automatically. Here is the second bookmark. So let's go ahead and show you how we can enable or disable this bookmark bar from our Google Chrome browser. On the top right side of your Google Chrome browser, click on three dots, go down to the settings, click on settings. On your settings tab, please go down and click on appearance. Once you click on the appearance in the menu, you will see the option show bookmarks bar. If I disable it, I'm going to lose the bookmark bar above. If I enable it, I'm going to gain access to bookmark bar again. To go to directly this setting, you can also use this URL. Simply press enter. This will take you directly to the bookmark page setting. So at the end, quickly, I want to show you that let's say if I want to bookmark this page, CNN website, let's open this and let's say I want to add the CNN website to my bookmark. Here I will see the star button and I can also see that bookmark this tab option is there. I can click on it. I can bookmark this page to my Chrome browser, right? And I want to bookmark it on the bookmark bar. And let's go ahead and click on done. This bookmarks the CNN page on my Chrome browser. So let's close the page. Let's go to new tab and I want to get that page again with one single click. Let's click on it and I am back at edition.cnn.com. So that's it about today's simple to the point tutorial how to enable or disable bookmark for your Google Chrome browser and how to add or remove bookmark from Google Chrome browser. Let's go ahead and delete this. Take care. Bye.